See what is about to happen to Tinubu in Nigeria as he decide to leave office, announce his replacement. My people, a prophet of God by name Prophet Elijah has exposed uh, Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his plan to quietly leave office unnoticed. Are you aware of this, my people? Hmm. Many things wey dey happen inside Aso Rock wey dem no wan let Nigerians know. Many things that are going on in this very country that they don't want the world to know. In fact, is now being digged out. Do you know that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going through personal, personal pain, a pain that him alone is quietly nursing, which he doesn't even want any third party to come in. As it is right now, the president is secretly planning planning to leave office on a neutral ground without um, anyone having a knowledge about it. In fact, its replacement has been announced within the cabinet, of which no one is also aware of. This very prophet Elijah, we call him the highly connected prophet. Why? Because this is a political prophet that will say to you what is currently going on in Aso Rock. And when you do your findings, you will see that yes, of a truth, it is, no doubt. Now, all this is what he named political cabals, a meeting within the political cabals that is a decision they make, within themselves without the knowledge of the masses. It is a very dangerous one. A very dangerous one. You see, that is why you will hear it that a decision has been made to remove a particular president or a particular leader. Unknown that these people already before that very decision is made, they have concluded that within themselves, and that also has been discussed within them without anyone knowing. Everything being equal, I must tell you that the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu is um, one of the uh, you know issue that is um, you know causing the pain, that is causing the disaster the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu is facing. But he will not accept it. This prophet and man of God has gone as far as digging out truth, fact, and evidence. He said the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not sick, is not down, is very, very okay. Even if he's seen leaping his legs, he said he's very fine. It's just that refusal to release Nnamdi Kanu has summoned the presence of um, top political gurus who is highly rated and placed above the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, of which these people has given him an ultimatum and a condition to release Nnamdi Kanu or quietly leave office. And I think that is what the president is actually trying to do, obey, and but be that as it may, this is